Hello children, today we will learn living things and non-living things. Living things andre ಏನು? Living things are the things which can move by themselves. They can make some noise or sound, they can move themselves, they can eat food, they can they can move from one place to another, like that. They can grow also. Okay, see here, plants, animals and men are living things. Here men includes both men and women. Okay, boys and girls. Here men includes both boys and girls. You all grow, isn't it? You all eat food, you drink water, you can talk, you can move from one place to another. So we all are living things. Here some more examples they have given. Just we will read it once. Okay, tree can grow and it needs water to grow, isn't it? But it cannot move from one place to another place, but also it can grow and it gives us fruits, it gives us vegetables, isn't it? So this is considered as living thing. Cock, it moves, it makes noise, isn't it? And it can grow, it can give egg and all. So this is also living thing. This is cock. Boy can move, he can talk, he can walk, isn't it? He can grow, isn't it? So boy is also a living thing. Horse is also a living thing. Rabbit, rat. So animals, birds, human beings, trees are all living things. Here rose is also included in living things. Why? Because plant is a living thing. Plant gives us birds, bird becomes rose. In rose we have some seeds. If we put them, again we get plants, isn't it? So this is also considered as living things. Now we will think about non-living things. What are non-living things? This page. Non-living things, see, table, house and car are non-living things. We have a car, for example, isn't it? It moves from one place to another place. It makes noise, but it cannot eat any food, isn't it? Will the car grow? ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಏನಂತಾರೆ, ಸಣ್ಣ ಕಾರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗುತ್ತಾ? No. So this is a non-living thing. Yes. ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನೋ ಲೈಫ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಹೌದಾ? ಮೂವ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಷ್ಟಕ್ಕದೇ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಆಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, ನಾವು ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅದು ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಸಂಟ್ ಇಟ್? ದೆನ್ ದೇ ಡು ನಾಟ್ ನೀಡ್ ಫುಡ್, ವಾಟರ್ ಆರ್ ಏರ್. ಕಾರ್ಗೆ ಗಾಳಿ ಬೇಕಾ? ನೋ. ಅದು ಊಟ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ? ನೋ. ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಯುತ್ತಾ? ನೋ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ನಾನ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ದೇ ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಗ್ರೋ. ನೀವು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಕಾರ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗುತ್ತಾ? No. So that is non-living thing. They do not produce young ones. ಕಾರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕಾರ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಕಾರ್ನ ಪಾಪುನ ಕೊಡುತ್ತಾ? No. So these all are non-living things. See some more examples of non-living things they have given. House, telephone, table, van, toy. So these all are non-living things. Now we will learn about some more living things in this page 90. See, living things. Living things grow. Living things will grow. If you are a small girl or boy, after some days you will grow. And again after some days, again you will grow taller and taller, isn't it? See here, girl becomes woman. Here plant becomes tree. This is very small when it is a plant, that becomes into a big tree when it becomes big. Living things produce young ones. See, hen will give us egg and chicks, isn't it? So this is a living thing. Duck gives us ducklings. So this is also living things. Cow, calf, goat, kid, all these are living things. Okay, so now we have learned living things and non-living things. what we have to do is, see, is it living or non-living thing? Write the given names in the correct list. They have given 2 columns. Here is living things and here is non-living things. In below that they have given so many names. See, car, tree, goat, etc., etc. they have given. Read these words. Think of it. For example, car. Car is a living thing or non-living thing? Yes, it is a non-living thing. Where you have to write car? In this column. C-A-R. Car. Okay? Just put a small write that you have written it already. Okay? T-R-E-E. What it becomes? Tree. Think whether it is a living thing or non-living thing. Yes, it is a living thing. So you have to write in this column. T-R-E-E. Tree. Put a small tick. Okay, complete all this in this 2 columns. Okay, bye children.